How to add clickable link in Instagram bio. So if you want to add clickable links to your Instagram bio, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and after opening, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And now, before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And now you can tap on edit profile, and now under your edit profile you will have add link option right below your bio. You can simply tap on add link, and then here you will have two options: add external link or add Facebook link. So if you want to add your Facebook link, then you can simply tap on add Facebook link, or if you want to add your YouTube or any other app links, then you can tap on add external link. And here you have to enter the URL, like you have to enter the URL. For example, I'll be choosing my YouTube URL. You can go to your profile, which is on the upper right corner, and then tap on your channel, and from here tap on the pencil icon, which is on the right side, and you have to copy the channel URL, and then go back to Instagram and add that URL here. Like you have to paste that, and then under the title you have to write YouTube or anything that you would like. And after that, on the upper right corner you will have a tick icon. Simply tap on the tick, and that's it. Now if you go back and if you check your profile, you will have the link, YouTube link, on your Instagram bio. So that's it. That's how you add clickable link in Instagram bio. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.